Jaya. Today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce CVC word family for UG, UF, UP and UT. So first, parents not prepare the example letter like this and ask children to pronounce. Okay, on the other side I'm going to teach how to pronounce one by one. Let's go. Alright, first we go to UG. So we plus with H. So H, H, H. Ha, ha. Good job. Okay, next one we go to UM. We plus with M. So M, mom, mom, Good job. That's why we go with UP. We plus with C. So C, C, C. K, K, K. Cup, cup. K, K, K. Good job. Last one is UT. We plus with P. So P, P, P. Put, put, put. P, P, P. Good job. Okay, that's all for 4 words family. Don't forget to give children resources to motivate them to do more, and also don't forget to practice because practice makes perfect. Okay, bye bye parents.